Regarding this year's special event prizes from every Stylist's Guild, the applications and approval process are... Clause 1, Clause 2... There are 36 clauses?! Dada. Are you all right? No more! I've been reading for so long it's hurting my head, back, eyes, and brain! It's ridiculous. Welcoming talented new stylists to our guild is more important. So welcome to Flourish Stylists Guild, Nikki. First things first, here's your pair pal. First, enter your nickname in the pair pal. Ta-da! This is the pair pal's main interface. Looks clean, doesn't it? By the way, these are our advanced courses, designed to help new stylists get started quickly. Along your journey, if you encounter difficulties or feel stuck, you might find some inspiration here. There are many helpful tools within your pair pal that can assist you along your journey. Try them out when you have the time. Now you're all set. It's not often I get to register such a bright, talented young stylist like you. All right, how was the rest of your trip? Come across anything weird?
What would... we saw small blue creatures flying around in little cloaks. So cute.
Those are Feywish sprites. They're the descendants of the Wishfield's lake god, the Wishing One. It said they collect wishes and deliver them to the Wishing One. How romantic.
Does that mean wishes here are more likely to come true?
That used to be the case, but the wishing one has already left us. Way back, when the gods walked among us, they sacrificed themselves in the war of heavens, in the fights against the dark. Thankfully, they left us whim, which is how we stylists found the spark within their ashes.
So that's how stylists came to be.
But it's not easy. There are always obstacles. The path of a stylist has many twists and turns, but only we can craft those extraordinary ability outfits. A big responsibility. So, if you encounter any problems, you can come to me. I'm happy to help.
Dada? Have you heard of the miracle outfits? We're looking for one, but we don't know where to start.
The miracle outfit? I feel like I read about it somewhere. Oh! In the Wishfield Compendium!
Compendium?
It's the outfit compendium that I helped create, along with Bebe and Kilo the Cadenceborn. It lists all the outfits we've found so far in Wishfield. It's still being beta tested, but it has all the features you need. You can find it in your Pear Pal. Come on, take a look. This is the compendium. Updating the compendium will improve your rating, and the Stylist Guild will reward you for your efforts. This is the outfit compendium. We've categorized everything based on their stories. You can switch between them below. Here's an example of a theme.
Nikki, it's a miracle outfit! That was a dead end. Nothing at all about the miracle outfits.
Hey, look on the bright side. Even if we have to dig deeper into some ancient legends, we know miracle outfits exist now.
Actually, there are many Wishfield customs based on tales from the Age of Divinity. If you look into those, it's a good bet you'll find some leads.
So basically, we should...
Make wishes! Whether it's a wish for love, work, or blings falling from the sky, Flora Wish can help. Since it's but you're gonna need wishing items. I wonder if Giovanni's store is open today.
Stylists sell wishing items?
Materials don't just fall from the sky, so we need to make a living. Giovanni sells wish flight paper during the day. It's a type of whim tech. You can usually find him at Great Wish Tree Square. Whim is what grants wings to our wishes. Anyway, you have to try it.
We begin with a magical encounter between a Cadence-born and a young girl. Embarking together, they head towards the distant horizon. Traveling with the wind and sand, crossing endless deserts, climbing snowy peaks, treading treacherous paths, and exploring dark caverns. Finally, they overcome all obstacles. At the summit, they grasp the most beautiful truth. The journey becomes poems, guiding countless stylists on their path to greatness.
Winter's winds howled relentlessly until the foretold arrival of a god. Thus, the barren land saw the birth of a Rosa. These, the paper cranes, carried the smallest of wishes.
Nikki, what's wrong?
I'm fine. But the Heart of Infinity, the story was beautiful. Why do I feel this pain, though?
Can I help you, miss? You look upset.
Thank you. I'm fine. I just got a little emotional, for some reason, from that story.
How empathetic. Are you a stylist?
I am. My name is Nikki, but I just joined the Stylist Guild today.
A new stylist, then. Your intuition is correct. Wishfield's story isn't just about one glorious moment. It includes long periods of darkness. Everything fades with the passing of time. Strife, tears, death. There is beauty. There is also deep sorrow.
Thank you for telling me.
Nikki, you feel any better?
It's all right, Momo. I'm A-okay.
Is this your first time in Flora-Wish?
Yes, it's the first time we've been this far from home. There was an incident, then we ended up here.
Then this wish flight paper is for you.
Huh? For me?
When I spot a new face in Flora-Wish, I gift them some wish flight paper. Consider it a blessing, a gift from the Wishing One. He was the first, you know. He created wish flight paper as a boon to all. The ones that I make here, they're just replicas. In order to become paper cranes, they still need whim. Not as magical as the legendary wish flight paper.
But everyone loves them.
Just lucky, I guess. Mr. Gallio.
I'm sorry, Giovanni. I don't need the wish flight paper I ordered earlier. Please, sell it to someone else. I gotta go. See you.
Strange.
What's wrong?
It's nothing. Gallio's been a regular since I started selling wish flight paper. But it looks like he's not making wishes today. It's fine, though. You have to be sincere with your wishes, or they won't come true. Looks like you two are itching to get started. Here, take this. Go to the Great Wish Tree. Write down your wish on the paper. It will turn into a paper crane, and then fly away.
Excuse me, miss.
Oh, hello. Are you talking to me? I'm Nikki.
Miss Nikki, hi. I just wanted to say, oh, look at that chubby cat. So cute.
Come on, Jean, focus.
Miss Nikki, sorry, can you hold off on making wishes? Mr. Noi noticed that some of the old strings, the ones holding the wish bottles, need replacing. If they snap, they might land on people, or maybe even hit some floofs. It's dangerous! And if they fall right after someone makes a wish and hangs it, that would be really bad.
I'm sure you're right. Sounds really bad. By the way, who's Miss Nanoi?
You don't know her? She's the intern keeper of the Dream Warehouse. She collects everyone's wishes and stores them there. It's the coolest job in all of Flora-Wish. Oh, I had a dream last night.
Oh, about what? Jean, come on.
Ah, right. Sorry, Ruby. So anyway, Miss Nanoi was supposed to replace those worn-out strings today, but she looked really tired. Her eyes were all red. She has such an important job. We can't let her work like that. We just can't.
So you and Ruby told her to take a break, and then took over the job of making new strings.
Wow. Miss Nikki, do you have a special women's seed that lets you read our minds? Just like Miss Nanoi?
I do. Makes me pretty cool, right? But my power fades every now and then, so it's not that great. With Miss Nanoi, though, can she always hear your thoughts?
Uh-huh, yeah. She can even hear all our wishes we make in secret. I wish I could be brave enough to sleep alone at night. So Miss Nanoi taught me a song. It's a short little tune, but it works like a charm. It goes...
Jean, we're out of materials for the strings.
What? How? We spent 3 whole hours collecting that floof yarn.
Didn't you spend most of your time rolling around and barking at floofs?
I'm sorry. So, what do we do now?
I can help. After all, I am a stylist. I can try to use whim to solve your problem.
Thank you so much, Miss Nikki. Ruby, how much material do we need?
We just need 1 floof yarn.
You can easily collect that from floofs. They're very, very soft. They have the fluffiest fur in the world.
No problem. Leave it to me.
Nikki, do you really know how to get floof yarn?
Of course. We'll use the Heart of Infinity to acquire an animal grooming outfit. Then, while I'm grooming them, I can... collect their fur. Drift in the wind, fables, stories, even the power of whim. Let them drift away.
This is some stretchy floof yarn. We can make some super sturdy strings with this. These'll last 100 years. Yeah, for 100 years. Thanks, Miss Nikki. Oh, and you too, chubby kitty.
Okay, you did say thanks, so I'll let the chubby kitty thing go this time. We have the materials. Should we start making the strings?
They'll be done in no time. Ruby here is Flora Wish's little weenie champion. She's really fast. Super fast.
That's great. I'll help too. Once you make all the strings and replace the frayed ones, I'll hang the wish bottles on the tree. All right?
Wow. Miss Nikki, you read my mind again. You knew my wish. Mine too.
Then, does that mean I get a chance to fulfill your wishes?
Of course.
Nikki, now you can make wishes.
Yeah, Miss Nikki. Your wish is sure to come true.
Nikki, what was your wish?
I wished for guidance for getting miracle outfits.
Nikki!
I'm fine. I thought I heard Jean and Ruby singing.
Huh? But we weren't singing.
Not a single note.
Maybe not then. It's still bouncing around in my head. No, in my heart. Is this a vision? Maybe it might lead us to the miracle outfit.
Huh? What was that?
Sorry. Hope I didn't interrupt. And you are?
I work at the Stylists Guild in Florawish. Bebe.
Bebe. Aren't you... Dada's little sister? I'm Nikki. And I'm a new stylist around here.
You're Nikki? The stylist who beat those S-lings without a pair pal? Without even registering with the Stylists Guild? That Nikki?
Nikki, sounds like you're the talk of the town.
Sounds like maybe... Dada?
Yeah, my sister told me. But I didn't expect to meet you. I just saw you two under the Great Wish Tree. It was beautiful. So, I took a photo. I thought that maybe I could submit it to Wardrobe Stylist magazine? Sorry. I should have asked your permission.
Go ahead. I've never been in a magazine before.
Thanks. If it gets published, I'll let you know. Lately, my work hasn't been great. But with this shot, I have a good feeling. To say thank you, please take this camera. While you're here, you can use it to record your memories. Here you go. I hope you like it.
Whoa! The camera turned itself into Momo's head. Bebe, your ability outfit. It's amazing.
Ooh, let me see! Whoa! It really does look like me. It has my adorable ears and even my yellow cloak. Nikki, don't I look good holding this camera? It's super cool, right?
Like a professional photographer.
That makes you my #1 model.
Momo, how about you take a picture of Bebe and me together? Bebe, is that okay?
Oh, of course.
Set up the perfect shot, and the first photo taken by photographer.